Hey, hey, are you there? Hello? Okay, I think that I caught your attention. Today we are going to see, well, how I've done potato, chicken, and cheese dumplings. Hope you enjoy it, and please don't judge me, I'm really bad at cooking. So I think that is gonna be even funnier than expected. So here we go! Then we peel all the potatoes that we have. In my case, I chose 6 potatoes of different size, but the thing that matters is the cut. So, and we have the first fail of the day. I cut with the peeler. However, of the blood, it was good. It wasn't something really painful and anything like that. I could continue with the process of this video. Okay, now we continue by cutting the potatoes. Please cut them in similar pieces in order to be boiled at the same time, and don't have, in order not to have some potatoes with a really small size and another ones that are bigger than the whole country. Okay, when we don't have any cut, we continue by putting the potatoes in a cooking pot and we fill them with water in order to boil them. Do you need to see it, but approximately 3/4 of liter of water in order to boil them safely without any problems. Now we continue cutting the chicken. You can use whatever kind of meat you want, but in my case I chose chicken. It is really good and it's accessible for all the people. Now we continue by cutting the chicken in small pieces in a small rectangle. Keep in mind that we are going to fry them in order to later including it into the dumplings. Later we are going to see what happened. Now we put the chicken in the pan in order to fry them and cook it in order to put it later in the dumpling. Later, as I've said before, later we are going to see the fail. And as you can see in the following uh, why? What? Okay. Not not found error. Uh, well, just fry it in the pan and we continue with the following step. Now we are going to grate the cheese. Just whatever you want. It's just cheese. If you want a little bit more, that is my case. We didn't have enough cheese in order to put it to all the dumplings. Later we are going to see another mini fail, but whatever. We grill the cheese until it disappears and it becomes only a small, really small pieces. After we have boiled all the potatoes, we put it into a strainer in order to separate it from the water of the coction. And the thing that we do now is 2 things. Or putting into a fridge in order to make it more solid and easier to manage when we do the mashed potato, or doing it at the moment after we boil the potato. We begin with the mashed potato that we are going to see in the following step. In order to make the mashed potato, we put into a bowl the potatoes, obviously, the butter in order to make it softer, and milk in order to make everything as one. Okay, now we are going to make the dumplings, and well, we have a little. Well, it is a big problem. Here you can see a reference of the word dumpling. Okay, after this fail, we paint the empanadillas with whipped egg. In order to do this, we have a small fail. If you don't perceive it, it doesn't matter. I'm going to tell it because it's really difficult in order to see it. Is that the tray of the empanadillas was bad positioned. And what happens if something is bad positioned? Effectively, it nearly falls down into the oven, and we have a mass with potato, cheese, and chicken. Thanks to familiars and everyone in the house, they saw the mistake, and I put it again in the right position. Then we leave it from the oven after 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and here you have the result. And here we have the last fail. Yes, another fail for the counter. When I took the empanadilla, I didn't realize that it was really, really, really hot. So I burned a little bit my fingers. It doesn't happen anything bad, but I didn't expect it. Okay, so that's the recipe. I hope that you enjoyed the fails as well as the recipe itself. That is the thing that matters. The thing that happened next is that I'm really bad at cooking, and that's what happened. But I hope you enjoyed. You learned a little bit about me and my cooking skills, and that's all. Bye.